Alright, hello YouTube, this is Todd. I'm back with another video. Just gonna make a few little announcements here. One thing I am working on is a website for the viewers of the videos, and what I plan to have on this website for us is the notes. No clue what's going on outside. The notes for the videos. I also kind of like to, post assignments in a sense, kind of like little practice things for you guys to do for as far as programming, like things you can do to help practice. And eventually I like to have a community or forum, which would be nice, but this right here, I'm gonna wait on it. I'm not gonna start off right away with it because build a little bit more of a base of people that viewed the videos. Maybe also post up. So I'll plan on posting up source codes and any notes that I write out. So source code. So that's just kind of the general theme of it. I already had the website name and stuff in the domain, and I'm currently working on it now, but I'm not going to release it as of yet. I will tell you, it does have something to do with Rear Admiral Grace Hopper. When I was in boot camp, I was in Ship 03, which was the USS Hopper, named after Rear Admiral Grace Hopper, who is also known as Amazing Grace. And the reason being is not because that I stayed in the barracks during boot camp, but I thought it was kind of interesting because she was very influential to the computer science field. She did a lot. She came up. She kind of like did some of the groundwork of that led to the development of, I believe it was COBOL, which is the first rather advanced programming language at the time that kind of led up to what we have today as far as programming goes. And I believe she also created one of the first computer compilers. She was a graduate from, I believe it was Yale or Harvard. Not exactly too sure. I'll have to read up some more. But kind of named after her because she did a lot for the computer science field as far as computer programming goes. Also, another interesting fact, the USS Hopper, which is DDG 70, which for those of you guys who are not that know nothing about the Navy, it is a guided missile destroyer. USS Hopper, which was named after her, was the second U.S. naval ship to be named after a female. The first was the USS Arleigh Burke, and I know I misspelled that. And the USS Hopper is a Arleigh Burke class destroyer. So I just kind of thought that was rather interesting. This will not be posted up on the site. Maybe something about Rear Admiral Grace Hopper, because I just kind of thought that was interesting. And of course, I need to, after, I did research on her and found out, and I was like, oh, that's cool, I should name the site after her, because I am myself a member of the United States Navy. So I'm going to roll out a website here with they'll have notes, source codes, some like practice assignments or like, practice stuff, ideas, and eventually like a community, and I kind of like to build on top of it. So I plan on rolling that out sometime within the next few weeks, so long as my work hours look like they are. So yeah, hope everything will be good to go soon. I want to get it done like as soon as possible, but at the most it should be done in about a month. Alright, well, thank you very much, and guys, feel free to drop me an email, Ty.Martin at